Hi, today we're going to continue working with checkboxes, and in an earlier session we used the form control checkbox. This time we use the ActiveX one. Now my spreadsheet currently has a form control checkbox. As you can see, it is working. It's linked to the cell, the column F, so it shows the word true when checked off, or if unchecked, adds the phrase false. But it has a liability. The form control checkbox doesn't allow it to move and size with cells. Since I want to use the checkbox as a means to hide or show the row, I need to make sure that when the row hides, the checkbox moves and hides with it. And using the form control one, there's no guarantee that's going to happen. So I'm going to delete these checkboxes and recreate the same ones, this time using the ActiveX checkbox control. First, I'll turn on my developer tab. So I'm going to right click on one of the tabs at the top and customize my ribbon and activate the developer one. And I should probably get rid of this false statement as well. Now that I've activated the developer tab, I'm going to insert my checkbox using the insert control, but this time using the ActiveX control. As before, I'm holding my Alt key down to draw the checkbox. And I'm going to format this also because I want to make sure that the settings are correct, that it's showing it as transparent, it doesn't have a label text. So I'm going to right click on the control, and this time I'm going to the properties window. To get rid of the text, I'm going to change the caption property and just get rid of it altogether. To get it to show as transparent, right above that I'll change the back style from 1, which is back style opaque, to transparent. And here's the real work here. I'm going to change the checkbox control, or I'm going to link it to a cell. Now I can't click on this cell, I'll have to type the cell reference in. This will be F10, which is that cell right there. I'll do the same thing one more time. Insert my control, the ActiveX checkbox. And I'll make the same changes. That includes changing the back style to transparent, taking the caption out, and linking it to the cell there to the right, this time F11. As you can see here, I've already done that with some of the other cells in the spreadsheet. So now I'm able to, I automatically go into design mode when you start using the controls. If I want to actually use them as a user would, I need to turn design mode back off. So I'm going to turn design mode off, and now I'm able to click on the checkbox. As you can see, it works the same way. It'll populate the cell, or change that function to false. Change my zoom factor. Now, because the default property is set so that it does